you for coming to see us, and all we need, yeah. So hard to find. We're going to leave you with a tune written by Gene Taylor, our bassist. It's a tribute to Dr. Martin Luther King. It's some peace of mind. Oh yeah. Once upon this planet Earth lived a man of noble birth, preaching love and freedom for his fellow man. He was dreaming of the day peace would come on a stage, and he spread the message all across the land. Turn the other cheek, he'd plead. Love thy neighbor was his creed. Pain, humiliation, and death he did not dread. Yes, with his Bible by his side, from his foes he would not hide. It's hard to think that this great man is dead. He had seen the mountaintop, and he knew he could not stop. Always living with the threat of death ahead. Tell your parents that better stop and think, 'cause we're heading for the brink now. Better believe it. What's gonna happen now that the king of love is dead? Will the murders ever cease? Are they men, are they beasts? What do people, what do they think they have to gain? Will your nation stand or fall? Is it too late for us all? And did Martin Luther King just die in vain? You know that he was for equality for all people, you and me, full of love and goodwill. Hate was not his way. He was not a violent man. So tell me, honey, tell me if you can, just why was he shot down the other day? It was prejudice, it was hate, bigotry sealed his fate. Go on, cry, cry, your tears won't change a thing. Will my country ever love? Must it kill at every turn? We've got to know by now what the consequences will bring. Yes, he had seen mountaintop, and he knew he could not stop. Always living with the threat of death ahead. Yeah.